guys, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for stopping by again. In this video I'll be showing you how to mix your Dr. James whitening cream. You can use any whitening base cream of your choice. You can use any whitening base cream of your choice. If you want to get good result of your whitening product, if you want a whitening product to be very effective for you, then you need a whitening base cream. You can use any other whitening base cream, but in this video I'll make use of Dr. James. And here we have our kojic dip powder. We have our sepi white powder, we have our licorice, and we have our alpha button. I'm making use of kojic dip because it is a more stable form of kojic acid. I prefer working with kojic dip most of the time. And here I have my rose hip oil. I'll be using this to dissolve my powders. Remember, you have to dissolve your whitening powders before using them in your product to get the best out of it. And little of this will be going into our cream as well. So safe lightener to use. Lightening concentrate is made of gluthatione and vitamin C. It's safe for me. That's what I'll be using, so watch it. I'm going to dissolve these powders now. My kojic dip and my sepi white. Remember, these powders have usage rate. You must work with the usage rate and you must understand the solubility. So I'm making use of my rose hip oil. That's what I'll be using to dissolve this powder. So I'm going to dissolve this in oil. That's that for this. And I'm going to dissolve my alpha button and licorice in water. Remember, you have to use distilled water. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. It's very important you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our video. If you don't click the notification bell, you may not know when I upload a new video, but if you hit the notification bell, it will enable you get notification instantly. I'll be dissolving this in our oil and this in our distilled water. Okay guys, so this is our dissolved powder, our alpha button and licorice powder. This is our kojic dip and sepi white. I added a little of my favorite oil, turmeric oil. I added a little of turmeric oil to it. So now this is what we're going to do. Pour in our base cream. Remember, I said this is a 250 gram cup of base cream. You know, when water goes into your product, preservative is a must. It is a must. But I'm doing a small quantity that will last maybe 2 weeks, so that's why I'm not adding preservative here. But if you are doing yours and it's going to last for a month or 3 weeks or more than 2 weeks, then you need a broad spectrum preservative. You can use Optifem Plus or Liquid Jammer Plus. So I'm just going to pour this in and stir. This is very easy to do. Very, very easy. And then the next thing you want to put in, the next thing we want to add is our powder. And then stir thoroughly. So why I love turmeric powder is because of the color it gives to my product. It gives a very nice color. And that color also reflects in your skin too. Okay, stir thoroughly, mix it together, mix everything very well, and then I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of this. This is glutathione serum concentrate. It also has vitamin C in it. See? You incorporate everything and then you mix thoroughly. Now this your whitening cream is ready. Make use of this lotion 4 times a week, maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you know, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and use it 3 days to skin build. That's the best way to go about it. Don't forget to exfoliate for best results. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.